How to add code section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple go to Wix. This is the homepage. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on add and click section to page. Now after you click section to page, go right here, scroll down until you find the code option, click on code and now choose a template of your code. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. The first one looks good. Click on it and it will take you directly to this page. Now on this page, now you can add your code from here and the subtitle, for example, Van Gogh, and everything can be changed right here. The image too, you can change it from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.